Hello, welcome to 5 Minute Friday. I'm Holly Collins, Coordinator of Parent and Family Engagement for the Fairfield-Suisun Unified School District, and I'm bringing you helpful tips, resources, and tutorials designed to help our FSUSD families support their students during distance learning. Today we're going to talk technology. The technology required for distance learning is new to many of us, and like anything new, there's a learning curve. In our recent district-wide survey, we received many responses from families requesting some help. So today, I have teacher librarian Cindy Mai as my guest, and she is going to help us with Google Classroom. Google Classroom is the web service all of our teachers use to create and manage their online classrooms. Cindy and her team have produced a video tutorial that she will be previewing for us.
Hello, I'm Cindy Mai, one of the Fairfield-Suisun teacher librarians. We are excited to support our students, families, and our caregivers as we all do our distance learning. For our tutorials, you will notice that the introductory slide will have the topic and an FSUSD emblem. Google Classroom is our way of communicating and sharing assignments and schoolwork. Your child may be enrolled in multiple classrooms. You will also see videos inserted in all of our slides that also explain our topic. In order to view the videos, click onto the Present mode, which is in the upper right-hand corner of the slides. Our slides will show step-by-step procedures with written instructions and pictures with arrows to show how to navigate through the platform. Our final page of all of our tutorials will have our email address on it. Please feel free to email us at any time if you have any questions concerning that particular topic, and we will answer your questions as quickly as possible. If you are interested in any other tutorials that may benefit yourself or your student, please let us know at our email address. Again, we are excited to partner with our community and provide the most support as possible for an exciting new school year.
Thank you, Cindy. You can access this tutorial by clicking on the link found in the description box below. We have many more videos planned, but we want to hear from you. If there's a topic that you would like to learn more about, email it to me at engage@fsusd.org. And if you haven't already, click the subscribe button below so you can be notified when new videos are posted. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next Friday.